Welcome to Ashwega News. I'm Kritika S. Bahat. Today we talk about a tradition that sounds powerful but speaks even louder without the words. The 21 gun salute. We see it on Republic Day, Independence Day, and during visits of world leaders. But have you ever wondered why exactly 21 guns? Why not 20 or 25? The answer goes back hundreds of years. In the early days of naval warfare, ships carried very limited gunpowder. Gunpowder was precious, so ships could not afford to waste it. Most warships carried even 7 guns. When such a ship approached a foreign shore, it fired all 7 guns into the sea. This was not an attack. It was a clear signal, a signal that said, we have no intention to fight. By firing all its guns, the ship showed it had no weapons ready. This proved peaceful intent. On land, coastal forts had much more gunpowder, so they replied with a stronger signal of trust. For every one gun fired by the ship, the fort fired 3 guns in return. So when the ship fired 7 guns, the fort replied with 3 guns for each one. That means 7 guns from the ship multiplied by 3 from the land equals 21 gunshots. This exchange showed mutual respect. Peace was accepted, honor was given. Over time, the number 21 became linked with the highest respect. A salute reserved only for nations, presidents, and the heads of state. This tradition was later formalized by the British. During colonial rule, India followed British military customs, and after independence, India kept the salute but gave it Indian pride and meaning. Now comes another question. Why don't we see old cannons anymore? In the past, cannons were the strongest weapons available. They symbolized military power. Today, modern ceremonial artillery guns are used instead. They are safer, more accurate, and better suited for public ceremonies. The purpose today is not war. It is respect, discipline, and national honor. Each gun is fired with perfect timing. Each sound is carefully counted. There is no mistake allowed. Each shot carries a message of sovereignty, sacrifice, and the strength of a free nation. The 21 gun salute is not noise. It is a history speaking. It is a respect echoing. It is the sound of a nation standing tall. This is Kritika S. Bahati for Ashwega News. Stay informed, stay proud, and know the meaning behind our traditions.